Hello guys, we discuss in this tutorial the data types and variables and also the expression. So open your project on a C# by the help of the Visual Studio 2008. Now what is the variables? But first we discuss what is the data types. We having the basically three different types of a data every time. First, it may be the numeric type. Second, it can be of any float type. Third one, it's a character or any string. Except these data, we not have a data. See, our data present in these three forms. For numeric, we use the integer. Integer represent the data is an integer type. Float or a double represent the float data type. Float mean fractional values, and character and string represent the character data type, string data type. That is a very simple. So integer having a range. Now these are the some concept of a data types. Variable in a C# you can declare your variable. Variable is something like that when you sorry when you working with the data, then you should to hold this data into a something like a box, and variable is the box in which you can store data, and expression is like a thing through which you can manipulate your data. So every application, every work contain or based on the two things. One is the data, second is the manipulation of a data. So there, for storing the data, we use the variable. In C#, variable can be started from the underscore sign, and variable is any type of a name. Variable you can, it is a user defined, but you can't define like that. Variable can't start from the numeric. You can't put the period in the declaration of the variable. So first we discuss the integer type. It has a variable called variable, and one thing is which is most important, that C# is the case sensitive. What is mean by the case sensitive? You declare the integer variable. Now you declare the integer with the capital VAR variable. So these two are the different. You assign some value to this, for example 9, because it is a numeric, it is 10. When you call console dot write line and VAR, these are the two variables. Now we run the code. You can see that these two type of variable treated very differently. So means that C# is a case sensitive. If you want to see the output on your screen, you should write the console dot write line, which is used for output, which show the output on your console screen. Write line is a function. This is a way of calling the variables. You declare the 0 mean the which anything you declare here, it's printing. This is because it is in the string, so you can type here anything is it not affect your value. And you can define the another parameters in which you pass the var. So when we run this, you can see the output. 9 is a 10. This is very funny. Or you can print any thing within these brackets. You can print anything, write it. It show the output on your screen. For receiving the input from your user, like you declare the integer called var. This is different, and you int var, and you call it the var. Which var? This var is equal to the console dot readline. Readline function for use the input for to take the input from user, and dot to convert dot to int32. It shows the display, it waiting for your input. You take the input and it terminates. Why we use the convert dot to int32, we discuss in next tutorial. So in this tutorial we see how to declare the variable. C# is a case sensitive, and how to declare the data types. Thank you for watching my tutorial.